back stitch, forward stitch. What's poppin', JC Gang? It's your girl Niniee.c. How y'all been? How y'all been? How's your week going? You know, all that good stuff. My week's going pretty well, although it is hot as heck today. I don't know what's going on with that, but it's about to be hot again tomorrow. I don't know how I'm liking that, but you know, whatever. The weather has been bipolar and we just gotta deal with it. Anyway, today is Thursday, April 7th. I was supposed to make this video yesterday, but we here today and we making it today, okay? As you can tell by the title, Sewing 101 with Niniee.c. We're gonna learn how to sew. Today's the first video. I am very excited. This is the first class, so pretty basic stuff. We're learning how to sew a straight stitch, straight line. That's pretty much the basic steps of sewing. We're learning how to, you know, learning the feel of our machine so you can learn how to sew faster, how to sew with comfort, all that good stuff. So just go ahead and continue watching this video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Janine Carlisle, but you can call me Niniee.c. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the JC Gang. But yeah, welcome. Everybody say welcome. Welcome to JC Gang. I post fashion, beauty, vlog videos. So go ahead and subscribe, hit that subscribe button. I am having a giveaway. Once I reach 3,000 subscribers, I'm giving away 3 items. I will be talking about that a little bit more at the end of the video. So go ahead and continue watching, and yeah, let's just get straight to it. We're about to learn how to sew. Alright, so first you want to start off with pieces of fabric. So 7x4. This piece is 7x4. This is 12x6. So cut out 4 of the 7x4s, 4 of the 7x4s, and then 2 of the 12x6s. Okay, and then we're gonna start off with this one. We starting off with this one, okay? So what we're gonna do now is pretty much just measure, start off half an inch, well, start off an inch from the side. I'm gonna have to do it. We're gonna measure an inch, and then we're gonna mark an inch. Leave some space at the bottom and the top, okay? And then measure another inch. An inch from that line. And that's that. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's in my bank account. No, I'm just playing. But after you draw that, you're going to connect the dots at the end. So this up here, this is gonna be your start. You can write S for start. S. Start. Then you're going to connect these at the bottom. And then come to the top, connect it. The next row over, not this one, but the next one over, connect that top. And then you're gonna come back down, move over to the next one, and connect this bottom. You can use a pan, you can use chalk, you can use whatever you need to use in order to do this drill, honey. This drill, not honey. I mean, not drill, but yeah, pretty much you do that. It's connected at the bottom right here. It's connected at top. So it's like a maze. You go down, turn right. Go turn right. down, turn right, up, turn right, down, and then this is going to be your finish. So you're gonna write a F right here, and then you're gonna move that to the side. Now you're gonna take these two and you're going to draw lines again, 1 inch. 1 inch.
1 inch. I'm pretty sure it's easy enough. And the same thing on this one. You don't have to draw the extra lines at the bottom like we did on the first one. Like on this one, we don't have to draw the extra lines at the bottom. Just go ahead, draw these lines 1 inch apart. Yay, we're
getting somewhere. And then that's just going to be put to the side, okay? We're gonna work on this one first. So put this to the side, put this away, working on this one first. So on the lines, you're gonna sew directly on the line. So here we're learning how to sew straight. This is called the maze stitch. The maze stitch. It's like a maze, pretty much. We're learning control of your foot. So you're learning control of your speed. So you can choose to go slow, as long as you are staying on that line. This is me going slow. I'm gonna do 1 row slow for you guys. And then we're learning how to, right when you get to the edge, stop. 1 more stitch, stop. Lift up your foot. You're turning it. Turn your foot. 1 more stitch. Lift up your foot. Put it back down and finish sewing. So like while you're doing this as well, I feel like you should get your hands acquainted to like where you feel comfortable holding the fabric, so you can sew. Like how you see these 2 fingers right here, they hold the fabric, they're guiding the fabric, making sure I don't go too far, too close. And then I have my other 2 fingers like right down below, and I'm just guiding the fabric. I'm not holding it like this. You don't want your hands close to the needle either, because you'll sew your finger. You'll sew your finger off. So don't be doing that. Stop, lift up the foot, turn it. Stop, lift up your foot, turn it. And it's the final stretch. Look, and you're done. Your maze stitch. So beautiful. This is your maze stitch. Let me zoom back out for you guys. This is your maze stitch. If you want to do it again, go ahead and do it again as many times as you need in order to feel comfortable sewing. Pretty much that's what we're doing. We're learning how to sew, right? So do it as many times as you need to feel comfortable. You see how the stitches sewed it together, so it will not be coming apart. Yeah, that's the first thing we're doing. That's called the maze stitch. So the second stitches we are going to do is called the basting stitch. Basting stitch, aka the stay stitch. For the basting stitch, you want to come over to your, you hear that? Squeaky ass. Okay. Turn this all the way to the biggest stitch. Mine is 4, so I'm turning it all the way to 4. That's your basting stitch, pretty much. You can take it out easier than if it was on 1. So now, since it's on 4, you're gonna come back over here, zoom in, and we're going to start sewing. So for the basting stitch, since we're able to take it out, we do not backstitch. You do not need to backstitch on the edges. You just go ahead and start sewing. When you're done, lift your foot up, and that's that. Go move on to the next one. Do it a little slower for you. You see how my fingers are right here, the other two are right here, guiding the fabric, guiding it. Oh, reach the end. I'm done sewing. Now the last one. Put your foot down and just start sewing. No back stitch. Put your foot up and you're done. You got three stitches there for you. I'm gonna do a couple more just so you can see. I am not back stitching. Back stitching is when you go forward and then go backwards, but that's what we're not doing. Okay, we're just doing a stay stitch, aka basting stitch, which is put your foot down and you just start sewing, because you can take it out. And we're gonna do one more right over here on the side. Just start sewing. This is your basting stitch. The stitches are huge. See, if I open it, the stitches are pretty huge. I can easily come in if I wanted to. I can easily come in and snip that away if I really needed to, and then it opens pretty easily. That is why it's called a basting stitch or a stay stitch, because it's just temporary. It's temporary. Okay, now we're moving on to our last little thing, last little fabric piece. We got our 3 lines. I'm probably gonna do more in between like I did the other ones, but this one is a regular sewing machine stitch. Regular sewing machine stitch. So we are going to back stitch at the ends. At the ends, we are going to back stitch at all the ends. So go ahead and start on the first one. Forward stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to press this thing right here. That's how you back stitch on this machine, at least. If you're using a home machine, it's pretty much the same thing, but a smaller pedal for you to pull. Back stitch, pull it down. 1, 2, 3. Forward stitch. Stay on the line. Stay on the line. When you get to the end, stop. Back stitch. Forward stitch. Now the next one. Forward stitch, 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Foot pedal, backward stitch. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Forward stitch. Now stop. Backward stitch. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Forward stitch. 1, 2, 3. Stop. You're done. You see it? You see how it's the extra stitches at the back right here? I don't know if y'all can't see, but you see the extra darkness right there? That's because we forward stitched and backward stitched and stuff. So honestly, we're pretty much done. We're done. That's it. Just go ahead and practice that a ton of times so you get the feel of your machine. You should have the maze stitch. You should have the regular machine stitch where you back stitch so it stays. And then you should have the regular basting stitch where you could pull it apart. Easily pull it apart. So like, yeah, that's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if like any tips that would help you guys learn better or would help you learn better that I'm not doing that I could do. But yeah, that's the first class, the first sewing class, Sewing 101 with Niniee.c. Very exciting. I'm so happy I was able to get that done. Nice, easy, and quick. All you're learning is straight stitch. You can honestly do that straight stitch with the zigzag stitch. Zigzag just so straight. You can do the same drills that we just did, same sewing drills. And yeah, like sewing straight, that's the key to sewing. Once you get that straight line, you can pretty much do anything, because most things that involve sewing consist of sewing a straight line. So yeah, I really hope that helped you out, like with getting the feel of your fabric, getting the feel of the machine, and where to put your fingers when you're sewing and all of that good stuff. Anyway, stay tuned for the next class. It will be next week, probably Wednesday or Thursday. I'm not too sure, you know, stuff be happening, but I do plan on posting another video next week on like on like how to make like something small. I'm thinking about making a purse, like a little small purse, just to show y'all that you can make anything using a straight stitch. Okay, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 3,000 subscribers. I'll be giving away 3 items. I've posted 2 of the items on my stories, on previous videos that I have done. One of them is, I'm gonna post them right here. One of them is a jacket. It is a Supreme jacket with embroidery on the back. It is cream colored, and I really like this jacket. I want to keep it for myself, but unfortunately it is too big. It was supposed to be a gift, but I am now giving it away. It's still a gift. Second giveaway was one of the outfits that I made for my purple collection. It is a mini skirt with drawstrings on the side with a top, a little like bralette top that comes with it. Very cute. I can make it any size depending on whoever wins or whatever. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on a chance to win one of those giveaways. I will be having a giveaway after I reach my 3,000 subscribers. I will be having a giveaway every single month after that. Okay, yeah, go ahead, do your thing, tell your friend about me, and don't forget, my name is Niniee, and I'll have you feeding for more. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.